Okay, if it was a major pickup, a Western Digital Black 2TB hard drive, manufacture date January 2015, and it's only got 4 power-up hours on it. So could say it was new oldish stock, but it's still a current model drive. And I got that drive mainly to replace this one. So I can have this machine with the storage that I had before. The 1TB Seagate I had. Everything off that drive is now on this WD green drive. So that's my new storage warehouse, but for running, that's mainly for media, videos and stuff. So I might use it unless I need to. The programs like gaming and programs and stuff, I take up a lot of SSD space that I don't care how fast load or not. We'll go on the black WD drive, because obviously the green drive's a 54 or 5900 RPM drive, like that Seagate Barracuda LP is. The 1TB Seagate's yeah, put away for spare, because I want more room in this machine, more storage. So yeah, got a pretty good score on that hard drive. The Barracuda LP that the Western Digital replaced, it's not doing so good now. Let's see, it's got 16 bad sectors now. 2 days ago I was using it and it just went up 16 bad sectors in about an hour ago. It's got 2 weak sectors and 2 uncorrectable sectors after that. So yeah, that drive's dying. It's a good thing I got one to replace it in time. Yep, there we go. What have we got? 16 bad sectors, 2 weak ones, 2 uncorrectable ones, 3 Ultra DMA CRC error counts. So these ones are going to worry about. And that drive is only done 268 days and it's faulty like that already, so it's not a, yeah, 6400 power up hours. That drive never had very good reviews anyway. It was a bit slow slow and clicky and not very responsive as a main desktop drive. Anyway, the one that replaced it's much better. Let's see, 6 power on hours, so it's been on for 2 hours so far. How good's that? Bloody brand new. 3800 hours on the green. There we are. I got a good, decent sized performance drive. I'm going to use my. I got Steam on this machine now. Play Fallout 4 on this GTX 260. See how she runs it. I think it's going to do pretty good. Still a pretty okay graphics card, even by today's standards. So yeah, gotta give this a good vigor. I could go at some Steam gaming now. I've got plenty of room on my Steam library on this hard drive. It'll be running pretty quick too. It's pretty more than fast enough for Steam games. That will take a while to download though. 25 gig to download. It's going to take a long time. We'll see how this graphics card can go on maximum settings. I think it'll run pretty good. I'll try a console command and spawn about 50 enemies and see how if there's any lag or not. Because I know on the other rig, if I spawn anything more than 1,000 enemies, my GTX 750 Ti starts lagging. That's what 1,000 enemies being spawned. So yeah, do little things like that can see how your GPU can handle it. This obviously isn't as good, but I might have to do half that at least. Be interesting to see how it goes. Yeah, got good transfer speeds too. Reading off that slow ass bloody Barracuda LP, it's pretty quick. It's just writing to it takes ages. 1500 RPM drive. It's just one of these drives, but Seagate's version, basically. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.